pass. Galing dito kay Viray.
And right off the timeout, no, productive kaagad itong Davao Micro Smith.
Yes.
Well-drawn play there by, of course, Coach Mark Herrera.
Nice pass by Kyrie Vidal. Pinasa niya dito kay Vidal.
Oh, so Viray to Vidal.
Yes.
Yes.
Napakaganda.
The V's. Getting it done at another bucket for Davao, and this is just too easy at this point for the green shirts. They are practically scoring at will, no?
Talagang relax lang yung opensa nitong Davao. At paulit-ulit nga natin sinasabi na kailangan na mas maging